Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the issue of not being able to absorb certain spirits of bosses in Black Myth Wukong. First, let me tell you about those bosses. Those are called spirit bosses, and they after killing them you unlock a certain ability, and you cannot unlock collecting this ability before you met certain NPC, and he's right here in the bamboo forest on the snake trail. You go up those stairs, turn right, and right now it will be the cutscene right here will be triggered, and you'll talk with the NPC right here. He looks like a guy with a big gourd on his back, and after that you can simply go to the nearest shrine, which is quite convenient, and you will have an option to retrieve the spirits. Click it and hold down the button to retrieve the spirits. After that, if you open your inventory, you will see that the spirit will be added as an equipable item. Right now, as you can see, this one causes a considerable increase in defense, about 20 points from what I know. It is a passive effect, so it is quite useful and quite powerful, especially that early in the game. And the special ability that you can trigger at any time in the combat by pressing the F button is, as you can see, a big head scratcher. And well, that's it. You can also upgrade those spirits in self-advance and cultivate the spirits. Here you can upgrade them using your will, as you can see. It can also use up the certain other tiers of the crafting materials, like the blood of the iron bull. Now, I will show you how exactly this first spirit power looks like. So I will run up to the guy right here and immediately send him flying. Aye. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.